everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now for today's video, the video that you guys been waiting for, when I tell you guys, y'all been like harassing me. Let me stop. But y'all been like, you know, making sure I remember to put up this video, because honestly I kind of did forget. But the video you guys been waiting for, this is another giveaway video. You guys already know how this works, so I'm just gonna run through it because clearly I've done plenty of these already. But if you guys didn't know or don't care, but I mean, you're watching this video, so you should care. But anyways, but we have reached 7K, and I'm pretty sure by the time that I upload this video, it's gonna be at like 72. Yeah, I think we're like at 72 or something. So, which is crazy to me, because honestly, you guys, I didn't even think that I was gonna even reach 5K, let alone like 1K. I honestly just started this just to start it. I really didn't know where the hell it was gonna take me, but we're 7K deep. Like, I know it's not a lot to many of you guys. You're probably like, bitch, 7K, that's not that much, but to me that's a lot of freaking people. Like, that's a lot. And honestly, after we reach, Luigi, speak, pronounce your words, but after we reach 10K, like, that's gonna be crazy. Like, I'm gonna have to like throw a whole party. I'm gonna have to do a little something. I'm gonna have to do a little dinner for myself or something, because I feel like that's a big ass accomplishment, because not a lot of people, you know, go that far or just continue watching and stuff like that. Some people aren't consistent. Some people lose, like, they lose motivation because, you know, after they see people don't really watch their videos, or they don't subscribe to their channel, they stop doing it and stuff like that. But honestly, you guys, I've been really consistent, and I've been posting out these videos. I don't care if they do good or not. And I know you guys seen that I've been doing like a little bit of everything, because I didn't want to just make just regular sit down videos, or I didn't just want to make lip gloss videos all the time, which I know you guys like to watch. But like, just know that I'm gonna have other things on my channel, because I don't want to just be known as a lip gloss girl, if that makes sense. But I am gonna have a little bit of more of that, which I have been doing, and me being consistent and stuff like that has clearly shown, because I'm at 7K, which is crazy, because some people don't even get to that, even though it's a small number. It's not small to me, again. But this giveaway, you guys already know, all you literally have to do is make sure you're subscribed and make sure that you follow my business Instagram. That's literally it. And then I will be checking, because I know some of y'all high key, y'all be lying. So I'm gonna be checking. So make sure you guys follow this YouTube channel, clearly, because why would you not subscribe to me and you're trying to enter my giveaway? That makes no sense. So make sure you're subscribed, and also turn on the post notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video, so you guys don't miss out on my videos and the type of information and these little, you know, business tips and stuff that I be giving out to you guys. So make sure you guys turn that on, and also follow my business Instagram, which is Row Collections. Well, the Row Collections. I'll put it somewhere here, or I'll link it in the description bar down below. And also you can follow my what page is that? You can follow my personal page, which is like extra, you know, perks and stuff like that. Since I do see like it'd be a lot of people that do, you know, participate and stuff like that, and honestly I pick from the person that I see frequently on my channel. So like, if you comment a lot, or if you're like notification gang, or if you, I don't know, if I see you a lot, you're most likely are going to, like, you know, win. Because I think the last person that won, like, I spoke to her on Instagram before, and she followed me on YouTube, and she followed my personal business account. Like, so she was very active with me, so I remembered her because of that. So she won because of that, because normally I'll do random, but then I realized, like, I really want someone that actually support me to, you know, get the giveaway and stuff like that, and not just any random person. But yeah, so the more you comment on my channel, the more, how can I explain it, the more active you are, the more that I'm gonna remember you. And even if I am not doing like a giveaway, I could personally just contact you just to, you know, send a little something for you, just for supporting me. So make sure you guys just follow all those down below. I'm gonna put all, if you didn't understand what I was saying, I'll link everything in the description bar down below, so you guys could look up the rules if you want. Make sure you guys share this video to anyone who is interested in, you know, in these types of videos, or these videos that I make that'll be helpful to them. So make sure you guys do that. And also this one is going to be a little bit different because I don't know if I am gonna put Vagisil. I might put Vagisil, but the last fews are gonna be filled with like equipment that you're gonna need, like for instance the pipettes or the syringes, or what else, like any lip gloss thing, like the pigments, whatever things like that you need. And I'll probably add some few of my lip gloss in there, some hairpins. Yo, I'm just gonna hook you guys up, so it's still gonna be good even though if it might not have Vagisil. So don't be like, oh my god, if you guys don't see the Vagisil in there, it's because I probably ran out. And just to let you guys know, you guys are going to want to follow my business page, because I am gonna I'm almost to like I only have a few lip gloss kits. I only have a few lip gloss kits left, so after I finish selling out of those, I'm probably gonna stop selling them altogether. And after I finish doing that, I'm actually going to make I'm actually going to have like a, you know, like a mini sale. I'm not sure if it's just gonna be on Instagram, but you're gonna want to follow my Instagram just in case I just upload it on Instagram, or if I just want to make it specifically to YouTube. So make sure you guys are followed so you guys can know when I upload that big giveaway, because it's literally gonna be me, like, you know, selling pipettes. I'm still gonna be selling them, but they're gonna be for like $5 for like 20 and stuff like that. So whatever I have left that has to do with lip gloss and stuff, I most likely am going to have like a big giveaway, so I can just give it to you guys. And also if you're still, you know, watching this video, for the 1,000K giveaway, because you guys know that I do a giveaway after every 1,000K. This is going to end after I reach 10K, and after that it's probably not going to be as frequent. And even if I still do it after 1K, it's probably going to be not lip gloss related. I mean, I'll still put in like a few lip gloss here and there, but in total, honestly, it might not be like, you know, so much Vagisil, whatever. It might be like little stuff like hair clips, it could be like little stuff, or like makeup and stuff like that. So like I said, after the 10K, like I think after the 10K, I'm gonna have a little big giveaway, because that's a huge ass number. So that's gonna be a big giveaway. It's probably gonna have like 1 or 2 winners, probably 2, because I mean I reached 2 digits, which is crazy. But yeah, but I think that's all I have to say. So like I said, everything is self-explanatory down below. Just make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, follow my business Instagram, which is going to be linked down below, as well as my personal if you guys want extra points and stuff like that. And I think that's it. But like I said, I'm gonna link everything down in the description bar for you guys, so you guys can, you know, follow everything, and then just come back to this video, say done, of course, say done. And then also I think this is gonna be for like a week, so I'm probably gonna post this on Monday, and then it's gonna finish on Friday. So it's gonna be like a week long, so it could give people a chance to, you know, like comment and, you know, join the giveaway. Also, I know I get a lot of questions on when I post the winners and stuff like that. You guys, I normally post actually most of the time I normally post them either it's gonna be in the same video. So you have to come back to this video, and it's gonna be in the pinned comments on the top. It's gonna be the first comment, which is gonna be me, and I'm gonna announce the winner. That's where you're gonna see it, because I get a lot of questions when I do announce the winners already, and people are still like, oh, where's the winner, where's the winner, when is the winner is gonna be announced, when I have already done it. All you have to do is make sure you come back to this video, and then on the bottom in the comments, you're gonna see my comment. It's gonna announce the winner. And also now what I do, since I see that a lot of people don't see that comment, I make sure that I go in the community tab and I upload it on the community tab as well, so you guys are notified when that winner is posted, so you're not just wondering, oh, have I posted it, have I not. So make sure you guys come back to this video, as well as check the community tab on Friday, so you guys can check out this check out who's the winner. But may the odds be ever in your favor. But thank you guys for supporting me, and I hope hope you guys continue to support me and everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.